In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find open houses on Redfin. If you're house hunting or just getting a feel for the market, these quick steps will help you surface upcoming open houses in the exact area you care about. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Redfin. In the results, look for the official redfin.com site. Search engines can show ads or similarly named sites, so double-check the URL, then select the main Redfin link to continue. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the Redfin logo and a prominent search bar. Before you start searching, click the Join Sign In option and log in to your account. Being signed in makes your settings and recent searches available across devices and keeps your filters consistent. Keep your credentials private and sign in only on trusted networks. Now, in the large search bar, type the city, neighborhood, or zip code you want to explore. Redfin will auto-suggest places as you type. Pick the most relevant option or press Enter to load the map for that area. With your map view open, find the Filters control. It appears as a sliders icon toward the upper right of the page. Select it to open the full menu of options. Scroll down within the filter menu until you reach the Open House section. Turn the Open House toggle on. This tells Redfin to show only homes that have an upcoming open house scheduled, hiding properties without public viewing times. Next, choose the time frame that fits your plans, such as this weekend or any time. Narrow windows focus your results on the most immediate opportunities, while broader choices surface more options if your schedule is flexible. When you're ready, tap the blue C Matches button. The map will refresh, and you'll notice blue pins indicating listings with open houses. Many pins display a small open banner or a calendar-style time window so you can spot dates at a glance. If your results feel too crowded or too sparse, you can adjust the map zoom or revisit filters to refine your location or criteria. If you're browsing a big metro, pan the map toward the neighborhoods you care about and watch the number of matches update in real time. Open house times can change, so glance at the posted schedule to make sure it still fits your day. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly identify open houses in your target area and plan your visits with confidence. Enjoy your home search and feel free to repeat these steps whenever your plans or location change.